morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel again, Nelia Chrissy. Today I'm going to make a Thai beef salad. So before anything else, I want to tell you my here beef, tenderloin beef, coriander. I separated the steam parts and the leaves. So for our salad, I have here my beef tomatoes. I use beef tomatoes instead of cherry tomatoes. I have here my spring onions. I use the pale parts. And then my romain lettuce, carrots. And instead of using cucumber, I use beetroot. First, I'm going to put salt with my beef. I cleaned this already, washed and cleaned. Salt only, and black pepper. A lot of black pepper, both sides. Now I'm going to fry this first using olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. It's a very thick pan to avoid burning my beef. Using tongue, put the beef in the pan. Fry about 4 minutes each side. You know, guys, it's always nice to have a mobile stove. So I'm cooking here outside. You know, this is the dirty kitchen. Now I still have my dirty kitchen in there, where I used to barbecue my fish. And I can bring my stove in there also to cook if it's not raining. Because today it's raining, so I just have to cook in here. Don't overcook the beef. So the more you cook the beef, the more it becomes harder. I always have the inspiration of cooking beef from my big child. She likes steak very much. So I always said, don't overcook the beef. Because I always cook it properly for my youngest son. Ayaw niya kasi nung pinkish pa yung meat niya. But the other child, the other way around, he doesn't like it to be very, very cooked. So before I'm going to make my salad, I'm going to make my sauce first, or my dressing. Chili, sweet chili glazy dressing. 2 cloves of garlic. Now, sunflower oil to saute my garlic, about 2 tablespoons. Fry until the aroma come out, or about golden brown. While waiting for this, I'm going to prepare my soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. This is the important sauce in this salad. And then the sweet chili sauce. A tablespoon, I mean. And then the juice of this. About a tablespoon only. A drop of honey to make it more sweeter. Mix properly. Then I'm going to set this aside while preparing for my salad. Now I'm going to prepare my salad. Sorry guys, it's raining, so I need to shout a little bit. I don't need to chop my romaine lettuce very thin. Just chop them roughly. And this is my beef tomatoes, big one. If you have cherry tomatoes, then you can use cherry tomatoes. But I have a lot of these big tomatoes, so I prepared to use this first, consume them first. Now I'm going to cut my beef into bite size, or you can make it thinner so it's easy to chew. I'm going to mix my meat in here into my glazy dressing. Mix properly. Add the steam part of the coriander. Add this meat sauce in here. Toast them. No need to add salt because it's already salty. This is enough. And here it is, guys. My Thai beef salad. Put coriander leaves on the top. And lunch is ready. A taste test. I didn't make this salad for ages. I like it when it's a lot of coriander leaves. Time for my taste test. Strong, but I love it. I want one more spoon. We're going to eat this together with boiled corn. The crunchiness of the beetroot and the other and the other fresh vegetable. Time to eat, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss my future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!